Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 16 of our 30 days of yoga series for 2021, which means we are over halfway through our 30-day series. And today is side plank Saturday, so we are going to work on side plank. We're going to start off with a variation of side plank on the knees, and then we'll go into the full expression of side plank. And all you'll need today is yourself and your mat. If you want to grab that, we'll go ahead and get started. Today we're starting in Vajrasana, so if you want to grab a block to put between your ankles, just to bring the ground up to you a little bit. And we're just going to start with 3 deep breaths while we're stretching out the ankles and a little bit of the quads. Sit tall with the shoulders up and back and gazes forward. Let's inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. And then lifting, we're going to put that block off to the side if you were using one. And we're just going to come to a knee down plank. So just make sure that your knees are reaching back, your hips are forward. And just hold here as you bring the core in. So think about bringing the navel closer to the spine and breathe here. And then start to shift your weight back, walk your hands back, bringing the hips down towards the heels, coming into a little bit of a active child's pose. So keeping the arms or the elbows lifted. Head may not come all the way down to the mat. If it does, that's okay. And then shifting back forward. And then keeping that left hand down. Inhale as you bring the right arm up. Exhale as you bring it underneath the left arm. Just a little twist. 2 more times. Inhale, arm up. Exhale, arm down. Inhale, arm up. Exhale, arm down. Inhale, arm up. Exhale, arm down. And then you're going to take your left foot and turn it out to the left. Extend the right foot, the ball of the foot still down. And then you're going to turn to your right, plant the back foot, and then reach the arm up, coming into a little bit of a side plank on our knees, just for a little bit of support. And know that if we practice regular side plank, you can always come down to your knees. One more breath. And then bringing that right knee down, or the right knee back and right hand down. We're coming back to our knee down plank. And this time we're doing the same thing on the other side. So leaving the right hand down, inhale, left arm comes up. Exhale, arm comes under the right. Inhale. Exhale, down. Last one, inhale. And exhale. Inhale, arm up. Exhale, hand down. And then extend the left foot behind you. Turn that right foot out to the right. Keep the right hand down and reach the left arm up. And breathe here. One more breath. And then bring the hands down. And then we're going to come into cat and cow. So inhale as you lower the belly down. Exhale, curl the back. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. And then coming back, we're going to tuck the toes, lift the hips up and back to downward facing dog. Take a full breath here. And then start to walk the hands back to the feet, coming into a forward fold. Allowing the upper body to hang here. And then inhale, come into a half forward fold. Hands beside your shins. Upper body is kind of parallel to the floor, or you can just extend the spine. And exhale, back to your forward fold. And then we're going to start to walk the hands forward as we come into a plank. Take your time. And then from here, we're going to turn to the right side, keeping the left arm down and reaching the right arm up. Side plank. Remember, you can always come down with the knee, the left knee, coming into our knee down side plank. Either one is fine. And then bringing the right foot, the right hand, not foot, down, back to your plank. Shifting back to downward facing dog. And then bringing the knees down, back to our cat and cow. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. And then tucking the toes under, lifting to downward facing dog. Take a full breath here. And then start to walk the hands back to meet the feet. Coming back to our forward fold. Let the upper body feel heavy here. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. And then walking the hands back forward, come into your plank. Hold for a breath. And then turning the feet to the left, reaching the left arm up. Hold. And release. Shift back, downward facing dog. Lower the knees. Inhale. Come into cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Curl in the back. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. And then we're going to tuck the toes. We're coming back to downward facing dog. Walking the hands back, coming into our forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold. And then starting to walk the hands forward as we come to our plank. One breath. And then coming into side plank, turning to the right. If you want, you can lift that right leg. Ooh. And then come back to your plank. Shifting back, downward facing dog. Hold. Walking the hands back one last time. Come into a forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold. And then walking forward to our plank. Hold for a breath. And then turning to the left with our side plank. If you want to lift the left leg. Having some trouble today. And if you want to do it with the knee down, you can lift the leg as well. And release. Coming back down. Downward facing dog. Lower down to the knees. Last 3 rounds of cat and cow. Inhale. Lower the belly. Exhale, curl the back. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. And then you can sit the hips back on the heels. Sit tall. And we'll end with our 3 breaths that we started with. So let's inhale through the nose. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Thank you for joining me for Side Plank Saturday. And I hope that you got a little bit of sweat in today, build a little bit of strength. And I hope to see you tomorrow for day 17 of our 30 days of yoga journey.